All right. Hey now. It's the professional black sorcerer, the Prince of Darkness, Korleonegiovonni, the CEO of the Black Illuminati. Yes, indeed, taking spirituality to a whole nother level. You know, doing what they never thought could be done. Treat yourself, don't cheat yourself, don't be no goddamn fool. Make sure you watch this shit from the beginning to the end. Now, that internal frequency that moves around inside of you is the best part of you. It's that oxy-luciferin energy. Because we are 100% black, satanic, Luciferian energy, excellence, and benevolence. You need to only do things that purify your heart chakra, making it flutter, giving you that energy. Pay attention to the things that bother you and pull energy from that too. Now, as the world begins to spin and as time dissipates itself, it is imperative. It is truly imperative that you master yourself. Remove all that fear. Remove all that goddamn doubt, man. Life is a beautiful thing if you allow it to be. You have to make a clear path that you walk down when you walk towards your higher self. There is different interplanetary versions of you within this dimension and outside this dimension. There is absolutely nothing more powerful than a made-up mind, and that's when you begin to shine. Now let's remove the bullshit from spirituality. It's not always about fancy spiritual methodologies, no. If you are not grounding yourself and participating in creating higher realms of thought, open up your mind and see what the fuck you just bought. Cause you gotta pay for the things that you think about, and you gotta pay for the things that you don't think about. You only get one chance to make a first impression. So you wanna make sure that that impression is impeccable, highly respectable, non-rejectable, Jack. You gotta put some game on top of your spirituality. You can't be playing no games, you gotta have some game. Spiritualism, the manifestation of the information that's already inside of your melanin. Now you gotta open up the cages to that shit and amplify it, magnify it, and become the best version of yourself. Man, don't let nobody make you feel like you have to play their game. No. Anybody that is inside of your life, they gotta shut the fuck up and play your game. Daily rituals. A ritual a day keeps the bullshit away. And a ritual isn't always about going to your altar. You are the altar. And your mind is your quantum computer. It is that part of you that allows you to amplify and magnify, transmute, and then transmogrify all of the things that have been stored in your memory. You came here already perfect, so you came down here to become flawed, to fall down from your godhood, and then get the fuck back up. Realize nothing and I mean nothing, can get in the way of you and what you want to do when you lock on the frequency. Now, speaking of the frequency, anything that you want to manifest, you have got to vibrate of equal value with it. And when you do that, the universe just gives it to you. Yeah. You don't get what you want, you get what you vibrate of equal value with. Play time is over. The game has changed. We have elevated to another level. And it is time for you to reap the benefits of magic, black magic, high sorcery, that interstellar darkness that burns inside of you is the type of darkness that's gonna provide you what exactly you need. This is deeper than the ritual. This is energy work, self-reflection, introspection, creating your cosmic connection. Now, you must create a different type of aura by having different types of thoughts. And why must you create a different type of aura? Well, the way you vibrate dictates your aura. And the planet, the universe, reads your aura and connects you with like-minded energy. So you gotta be careful about what you think about. You gotta be careful who you hang around. You gotta be careful who you lay with. You gotta be careful of what you eat, what you don't eat, what you do, and what you don't do. Always take time to reflect and go inside of yourself and ask your soul, what the fuck is next? What else do we need to accomplish? You have 4 different versions of you existing in the cosmos right now in different dimensions, different planets, because planets are dimensions. And these different aspects, these different versions of you are in correlation with you. What do you think a lot of those voices in your head are? Yeah, that's them reaching out to you, trying to guide you. Somewhere in the cosmos is the older version of you, trying to guide you. Trying to guide you. This older version of you. You know, it wants nothing but the best for you. You know, this older version of you is closer to you than your jugular vein. It is inside of you. And this part of yourself is the part of you that is connected to the higher self. See, the cosmically older version of you that is floating in outer space, navigating and pulling on situations to give you enlightenment. The older version of you that's in the cosmos, it loves you. It never puts nothing above you. It loves you. But do you love you? A lot of times you gotta learn how to love you. Putting yourself above all things and magnifying and exalting yourself, and then magnifying and exalting someone or something else is the mission. You gotta be good to yourself. You gotta be good to the people that give you what you need along the way in your spiritual journey. And then you begin to have that spiritual glow, that shine, and can't nothing get in the way of that. Stay on course with everything you do and realize what separates you from the average person is the fact that you're chosen. And I know you're chosen because I know your soul is golden. Your golden soul is attracted to my golden soul, and this is why we all connected. And now the story is being told far beyond any type of limitations that the planet think they can set upon the chosen people like you and me. what do? We come together. We find each other by any means, anything. Everything is permitted as long as you can vibrate of equal value with it. So I'm gonna need you to sit up there and get into your superhero mode. Yeah. And allow your thoughts to work for you. Don't run from the thoughts and the feelings that make you feel bad. No. That's energy that you can grab. That's energy you can use. So you can take things to a whole nother level. We exalt ourselves. We, as a people, our ancestors built statues of themselves to praise themselves because they knew they were greater than anything else. And they knew that their thoughts became reality because their thoughts create reality. In the moment you understand that your thoughts create your reality and the reality of others connected to you, you'll begin to dedicate your life to the occult, witchcraft, spirituality, Taoism, Stoicism, and fall in alignment with everything you do. You gotta keep challenging yourself. You gotta keep taking your existence to an entirely different level. Understand that when you begin to embark on a mission of pure excellence, everything goes to a whole nother level. Sitting in your superhero mode, feeling right, doing what you gotta do, putting that spice in your life. Now, each moment that is given to you on this planet is an opportunity for you to increase your spiritual shine, increase your seniority in this game called spirituality, because you gotta understand what you do here creates the reality you will exist in when you get to the spirit realm. Speaking of getting to the spirit realm, actually, we are already in it. We are just dreaming right now. You think that you are woke, but you're not woke. You're really sleeping inside of this body because you are your soul, and your soul is sleep. Your soul only wakes up during orgasm or trauma or deep thought, and then it leaves an imprint on your subconscious mind, and the universe can grab that energy and make it manifest for you. Yes, indeed. And this is the way, or should I say, the type of information that you need to be digesting. I am teaching you how to think and how to feel and how to operate so you can take your thoughts and make shit real. What could be better than that? Absolutely nothing. This is your moment in time for you to shine, for you to take things to another level and rise up and begin to create your own reality. Going beyond your fear, working with spirits such as Papa Legba, Lucifer, Lilith, Satan, Asmodee, King Paimon, Osiris. Going deeper into the realm of spirit is what's gonna give you exactly what you need. Going deeper into the realm of spirit is what allows you to get closer to your own spirit and magnify and exalt all of the things inside of you that need to be magnified. Stay in deep correlation with what your soul is telling you. That is your desires, and they will never expire. You have to stay in correlation with the spirits. You want to definitely go deep into working with multiple spirits for multiple reasons. Only you know your reason. get you a book, a couple of books that give you a listing of the various spirits and their attributes. And when you read those attributes, remove the spirit and put yourself in the place of that spirit. And realize that all of the spirits are really just different codes, formulas that are represented inside of you. So any spirit you're working with, it's really a formula. And the ancestors gave them names so you could separate and be able to look at it all clearly and realize that you're doing nothing but working with your own self. You are working with your own self when you work with a spirit, man. You're just working with another part of yourself. So why not study about all of the different spirits? And I mean from the inner earth spirits to the outer earth spirits, to the dark, the light, the demonic, the angelic, even the extraterrestrial. Those are our ancestors too. We're extraterrestrial. I mean, look at us. We stick out like a sore thumb. Look out, world, here we come. And nothing, and I mean absolutely nothing, can ever stop what we do and how we do it. korleonegiovonni at gmail.com. Email me to book a spiritual consultation. You can get all of your questions answered within a 30-minute to an hour-long consultation. Make sure you have a voice recorder on deck. Write your questions out, and I will give you all necessary uncommon information on those topics. Let me know if you need a reading, an Akashics reading, a real reading. Not one of those bullshit, cheap $20 readings. No. I'll give you an Akashic reading and actually tell you what soul tribe you come from, who your real parents are in the spirit realm, what tribe you're from, what's going to happen in the future, what loved ones are trying to connect with you through your subconscious mind that you need to learn how to open up so they can come on in and give you some uncommon spiritual information. Also, I provide the best spell work. My rituals work because I don't stop till I make it pop. 25 years plus experience casting spells. So let me know. Money spells, banishing spells, breaking soul tie spells, whatever you need, holla at me. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. We gonna keep this shit going. I love y'all.